Managing diabetes involves more than just monitoring blood sugar levels and taking medications. It also necessitates a careful selection of foods that help keep blood glucose levels stable. Here are 7 foods that are particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. 1. Leafy greens. Why they're good? Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are low in calories and carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice for managing diabetes. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers and fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. How to include them? Incorporate leafy greens into salads, soups, and smoothies. You can also sauté them with a bit of olive oil and garlic for a delicious side dish. 2. Fatty fish. Why they're good? Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Diabetes increases the risk of heart disease and stroke, making omega-3s particularly important. These healthy fats also help reduce inflammation and improve blood sugar control. How to include them? Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week. Try grilling, baking, or broiling the fish, and serve it with a side of vegetables for a balanced meal. 3. Berries. Why they're good? Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are low in sugar and high in fiber and antioxidants. The fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. How to include them? Add fresh or frozen berries to your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or smoothies. They also make a great snack on their own. 4. Whole grains. Why they're good? Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Unlike refined grains, whole grains have a lower glycemic index, meaning they have a more gradual effect on blood sugar levels. How to include them? Replace refined grains with whole grains in your diet. Enjoy whole grain bread, pasta, and cereals, and incorporate grains like quinoa or brown rice into salads and main dishes. 5. Nuts and seeds. Why they're good? Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They help control blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are particularly beneficial. How to include them? Snack on a handful of nuts, sprinkle seeds on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, and use nut butters as a spread on whole grain toast. 6. Beans and legumes. Why they're good? Beans and legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans, are rich in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. They have a low glycemic index and help improve blood sugar control and heart health. How to include them? Add beans to soups, stews, salads, and casseroles. You can also make delicious dips like hummus or black bean dip. 7. Greek yogurt. Why it's good? Greek yogurt is higher in protein and lower in carbohydrates compared to regular yogurt. It contains probiotics, which can improve gut health and reduce inflammation. The protein content helps keep you full longer and stabilizes blood sugar levels. How to include it? Enjoy Greek yogurt as a snack, or use it as a base for smoothies. Top it with fresh berries, nuts, or seeds for added nutrients and flavor. Incorporating these 7 foods into your diet can help manage diabetes more effectively by stabilizing blood sugar levels, providing essential nutrients, and reducing the risk of complications. Remember to pair these foods with regular physical activity and follow your healthcare provider's advice for optimal diabetes management.